First time out on the ice. We don't have anything that we really need. No auger. We have a baseball bat, which I'm gonna try to use to like knock open some of the other holes that were already made. Yeah, we brought a skateboard.
Brought to you by,
board shop. Little mini ice fishing rod, minnows. Wish us luck. I can't swim very well. Can you?
Nope, not in cold.
Not good. Use the auger. That's how it's done, boys. Ice fishing 101.
Just say goodbye.
Just like pull up from the bottom and slowly. As you guys can probably see, we have no idea what we're doing. Leave some comments in the comment section with some advice. So if you try this again, we know what to do.
Subscribe if you're not subscribed.
Yeah, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Listen to him. Oh yeah. Alright, so we have the minnow on this rod in this hole right here, and he's back there jigging the little Rapala thing that we bought from the Lee's bait shop. Nothing yet. It's only been about... How long has it been so far?
40 minutes maybe?
Hey, like 40 minutes. No bites yet, but we're gonna keep on pushing. We should have looked up like ice fishing techniques of how to do this. I feel like there's a way to do it. I don't know what it is. Got the cameras on. What's up, camera? I just dropped tits off. I'm on my way back home now. We didn't really catch anything, so yeah, I did want to upload something because it has been a long ass time. And I also wanted to say that within the next couple days, hopefully we get to the 100 subscriber mark, and when that happens, I want to do a little giveaway or something like that. I kind of think I want to do like 2 lucky tackle boxes, and yeah, so guys, just share this video if you guys can to get us up to 100, and then once we do, I'll make that announcement video for the giveaway, and then there will be another announcement video for something else. So yeah, I don't know, check you guys later.